YouTube fans, today we're going to take a look at this very interesting medical clip. We're going to find out what is on this man's neck and discuss it in detail.
It looks like the world's largest pimple, doesn't it? So this is how you get a girl on a first date. You just show her this video.
This guy's right here, so it's very nourishing.
Oh, God!
So go ahead and leave a comment below. Do you agree with our assessment of the video? Is this indeed packing material?
Thanks for checking out our channel. Stick around for a special message. Bodybuilders take protein to build muscle, and people take vitamin C to help prevent colds. Your brain is the most complex structure in your body, but it is probably lacking specific nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Brain Gains gives you those essential nutrients and helps with memory and focus. It is an advanced multivitamin designed to support healthy cognitive ability. Check out the Amazon link below and try Brain Gains for yourself. It will boost your energy, clear out the fog, and help your memory.